Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to go over how you can schedule your social media posts for free. I know there are a lot of people out there that think you have to pay for a subscription to some kind of software and pay $20, $30 a month to schedule your social media posts, but that's not the case. Most social media platforms have a way for you to do this, in-app for free, no cost. And so today I'm just going to kind of go over that. I'm going to show you how to do that for Instagram, Facebook, uh, X, and Reddit. Um, and so, yeah, so it should be relatively simple. For Instagram, the main thing is you need to make sure you have a professional business account in order to be able to make those posts. And so where you can kind of check for that is, let's see, I may have forgotten myself. Give me just a second. I believe it should be in settings, and you'll see here, for professionals, and you should have under business, you can see where you can switch to a creator account, switch to a personal account. Currently, I'm set up as a business account. So as long as you're set up as a business account or a creator account, there will be a way for you to schedule Instagram posts for that. And so once you have that set up, you're going to want to link your Facebook business page to your account. Um, and I'm trying to remember where it is. I think it has a pop-up uh, that will ask you to link your Facebook page, and it gives you an option to create a Facebook page if you don't have one already. And so that part should be relatively simple, straightforward. Keep in mind, you can do this the reverse way as well. Create a Facebook page, then link your Instagram. But as long as you have both Facebook and Instagram, the next thing you'll want to do is go to this Meta Business Suite, which is where you will be able to schedule your posts. You can schedule it for both Facebook and or Instagram. You can do this on a desktop, or you can download the Meta Business Suite app and do this on your phone. And at this point, it's pretty straightforward. You would essentially just come here, and if you're gonna schedule something for Instagram, you do need to make sure that you have a picture on there of some sorts. Um, and you can just enter your text. You can enter hashtags. You can select if you want it to be just for Instagram that you want to post or just for Facebook or both. Then down here, scheduling options, you can just schedule your date and time, see how far out into the future you want to do it. Uh, Click schedule, and then you're pretty much done for that. So yeah, it's pretty easy, pretty simple. If you do run into any issues or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll try and help you out, or maybe I'll make another video to kind of walk through it if needed. Um, the next one is for X, Twitter, whatever you want to call it. And essentially here, the main thing with this is as long as you're posting from a desktop and not your phone, a button will show up that will allow you to schedule your posts. And so you can see right here, I was just typing in something, and this little button on desktop will be here. It says schedule. Um, and again, just select whatever you want to do. Definitely not in the past, but uh, if I want to go out a couple days, you can do that. Hit confirm, and that'll be scheduled. So that one's pretty simple, pretty easy. And then the last one would be for Reddit. Now, Reddit is interesting. There's a lot of different things you can do with Reddit, but it has a built-in feature to allow you to easily schedule posts if you have like a page that you're the admin of. Um, and so it's pretty straightforward like that. You just press this little schedule button, and uh, and that'll be there. And so but it doesn't have a thing built in where you can post on like other Reddit threads or where you can, automate comments. However, there is a free Reddit API that you can use to do this sort of thing. Now, it takes a little bit more effort and work, so I'm not going to go over it in detail on this video, but you can see this URL up here. which I'll include in the description of this video as well. If you go there, click "Are you a developer? Create an app," and it'll kind of take you through a process through there. It's a little bit more involved if you're not tech savvy. It may be a little bit more difficult, but it is out there as an option. And so if you're looking for a free version, a free way to automatically post to Reddit, it may be best to ask someone to, build that feature for you, one time where you can just access it always rather than paying a monthly subscription. It is pretty easy, shouldn't cost very much for you to pay someone to set that up for you. So something to keep in mind. May make a video on that later in the future. Um, but yeah, so that pretty much covers everything. How to schedule your posts for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Reddit. I may go over different platforms in the future, but if you have any questions, concerns, or anything you want to comment on, just leave a comment below. Thank you very much.